A mother's request. Then the wife of Zebedee came to Jesus with her 2 sons, bowed before him and asked him for a favor. "What do you want?" Jesus asked her. She answered, "Promise me that these 2 sons of mine will sit at your right and your left when you are king." "You don't know what you are asking for." Jesus answered the sons, "Can you drink the cup of suffering that I am about to drink?" "We can," they answered. "You will indeed drink from my cup," Jesus told them, "but I do not have the right to choose who will sit at my right and my left. These places belong to those for whom my Father has prepared them." When the other 10 disciples heard about this, they became angry with the 2 brothers. So Jesus called them all together and said, "You know that the rulers of the heathen have power over them, and the leaders have complete authority. This, however, is not the way it shall be among you. If one of you wants to be great, you must be the servant of the rest. And if one of you wants to be first, you must be the slave of the others. Like the Son of Man, who did not come to be served, but to serve and to give his life to redeem many people."